Disclaimer.
Hey guys, it's me, Arwen, and today I have some exciting news. I've decided to donate my hair to Wigs for Kids, so I'm going to be cutting off 10 inches today. I'm really nervous. First, I'm going to a gymnastics class. This is actually before the gymnastics class. I'll catch up with you after, and then after the gymnastics class, we're going to a hair salon where I'll cut off 10 inches, so I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys are too, and I hope you enjoyed the video, so let's go. I've just come back from gymnastics, and my hair is out of its ponytail. As you can see, this is sort of its length right now. So now we're just gonna go to the bank, stop there, and then go to the hair place.
Grab a couple of hair ties.
All right.
So it's pretty much going to be like right up and okay? What do you think?
I like it.
Obviously we will fix it. Okay.
And layers.
You part of there usually?
Yeah, that's it. And layers maybe, because I might want a little thicker.
Okay. Sounds good. That's kind of how it is right now. Start with scissors and then water. Yeah. I'll fix that for you. Start down.
We're done now, and this is what I have. It's really great. I'll show you what the back looks like.
So anyway, just some ideas, but I always tend to be pretty easygoing. Like I don't freak out about my hair because it always grows if I